So when you're signed in with your wallet, what you can do is choose to be a creator or a buyer. And as a buyer, you can go in and buy NFTs by clicking on them, hitting invest, and finding the NFT you like and placing a bid. There is a English auction option, or you can actually just buy a flat priced, a set price of NFT in Matic. So it's either an auction style, an English auction style, where there's the highest bidder bids, and there's a 10-minute delay before it's accepted, and within 10 minutes someone can bid higher and the extension, or the auction is extended. So anyway, as a buyer, you can basically purchase in either format depending on how the project is set up. And as a creator, you have options to set up a profile with a banner image. You can set up multiple projects, and each project has a description and another banner. And then within the projects, you can create or mint an NFT. So these are kind of the things as a creator, you can go and manage your portfolio of collections of NFTs and projects all in one spot. The other thing you can do is you can manage your referrals. So you'll see how the referrals work here. As mentioned, 30% of referrals go to the affiliate for the first sale, and the rest goes to the creator, and the last 1% goes to Karmatica. Now, if the NFT is resold from buyer 1 to buyer 2 through an affiliate, the affiliate gets a 5% commission for the second sale. So it's 30% for the first sale to buyer 1 and 5% for buyer 2. And again, Karmatica 1% fee, which is much lower than OpenSea and Rarible and others, who are typically 2 to 3%, but it depends on the platform. So yeah, that's kind of how that works, and you can then manage your referrals. Once you get referrals, they'll show up here. You can monitor all the details, which token, the price, referral amount, and so on. And you can also grab a widget, which is basically an HTML widget that can be placed on your website, and it records your referral ID, which is basically just your wallet address. And that's your wallet address, and then the NFT. So it'll connect it to the NFT, and you'll get a commission, 30% or 5% on the secondary referral. So that is what the creator can do in Karmatica. So yeah, I hope you found this interesting. And again, if you're interested in your own NFT marketplace, we can provide a quote for that. And based on this functionality, you can retheme it. We've got a special dark theme here, but there's other options if you're looking to host on Vultr, which we link to in the description. Vultr is a great host for Web3 projects. There's some savings there. If you click on the link, I believe you get $100 free hosting credit. And yeah, and it also allows you to hook into IPFS, the Interplanetary File System, where you can host NFTs. A very efficient way to host various formats of NFTs. So yeah, that's sort of an overview of Karmatica. It's you can go to karmatica.io or app.karmatica.io and check it out. Thanks for watching.